standing off the side watching is one thing. When you can see and actually got the end of the hose and you're actually applying the foam and seeing how it acts in your hand, that was the big selling point. I thought this is better than what we're using. We've got 30 buckets of SoyFoam sitting in there going on the trucks as we speak. The product works. We've used it on structure and automobile fires with outstanding results. I got a board that has gotten behind me on this and allowed me to go out, and the board is purchased, and we're spreading this across the state of Kentucky and getting this into other firefighters' hands, and for the lack of a better word, they're getting their hands foamy.